Hey, today I am going to teach you a powerful technique called reciprocity and how you can use it to your advantage to manipulate others. First, let's quickly understand what reciprocity means. It's a social psychology concept that refers to the human tendency to respond to a positive action with another positive action. Essentially, if someone does something nice for you, you feel compelled to reciprocate. It's like a little favor exchange. Think about a moment when someone did something nice for you, and you immediately felt the need to return the favor. Now imagine exploiting this natural inclination in order to manipulate others. The secret to invoking reciprocity lies in something as simple as a genuine act of kindness. By doing favors, giving gifts, or offering help, you plant the seed of obligation in the minds of the intended target. As a result, they may feel obliged to comply with your requests or feel guilty if they don't.